cool out here. Nice. Got plans today to tear my engine apart with this truck. No keyless entry in these old trucks. Good morning, folks. We are ready to work. Today, plans are to do some more disassembly on the 5.3 motor I bought for this truck. This has a 5.7 in. We are transplanting a 5.3. What an exciting day. We're going to get started ripping this engine apart and seeing how good the bottom end is. So stick with us, here we go. Ah, we got a road closed. Alright. Why is that? I'm not sure. It's a nice, fresh, cool morning for working in the shop. Pick up where we left off. Here we go. Alright, we got the heads off. Number 1. On this side, 4 and 6 and 7. So that's how that is. 1, 4, 6, and 7. Active fuel management. DOD. Don't need that. Alright, I ran into a little problem here with the rear cover. I've got the bolts out, but I can't. The engine stand is too close to the block. I can't get my cover off. So I'm going to make my bracket to hook up to the top of the block here with a chain and pick it up that way. Get it off the engine stand so I can get my cover off. 15-30 seconds would work. Couldn't have done better there. Amazing. Now, one more thing, I should have a big hole for a chain hook to go in, or a clevis. think I got it closed in. Tell you what, we gotta be geniuses around here. Do something like that. I should be able to get a chain on. I wish I could use a regular drill bit. I hate using those things, they're so wicked. 3/4. Let's give that a shot. Incredible. That should fit right on here. Just find the right bolts. Sweet. Get my clevis. Perfect. I'm gonna get my engine stand away from this thing and remove the cover, I believe. Nice. Next problem. Getting this damper off. Guess we're gonna need a slide hammer. So, we have a slide hammer. Very nice slide hammer. Wow. So, how are we gonna do this? Wow. Finally got that thing off. A little bit of a pain. Tried a combination of several different things. But this puller is what actually got it off. But the teeth on the pullers aren't very long, so I had to put a double hose clamp around it, around the pulley on the back side, to squeeze the jaws together to keep them from becoming unhooked. And then carefully put pressure on and tap it with a hammer and a wood block. Well, got that off. Now I can pull the crank. Get this front cover off and the timing chain and take a look. Whew. Piece of cake. Finally got the camshaft out. Wow. Okay folks, we have our first piston out. I love getting mail. Amazon Prime. We're about ready to use it. May as well open this thing up. Let's see, what do we got here? It's a ring compressor, is what it is. So, oh, nice. They send a nice little pliers with it. That's cool. And the tool. So there we go. This is a really nice one. It's got a ratcheting. Ooh. There it exploded. You can see it goes up pretty big, so it should be able to fit around that piston pretty decent. It's time for a cup of coffee. Some fuel for the job. Thank you, Keurig, for your services. I thought I would just run down over what I'm doing here with this truck. I wanted to show you guys under the hood of this thing and the stuff I have to put up with right now. Oh, hello. So, under the hood here we got a 350, and this engine came out of a camper. So it had a fresh rebuild on it. So yeah, it's running really well. It does leak some oil. I will be selling this engine. I do not want it. Beans we're going with the 5.3. So plans are to rip this thing out and replace it with the 5.3 and put a turbo on. So we're going to have plenty of room over here underneath this area right here. The turbo will be located, and I'm going to have my headers running front. There's probably a front crossover pipe headed down across the bottom and over to the turbo, and then intercooler piping to the front. There's plenty of room up front here for an intercooler. 4-inch piping, planning to go with, and a 4-inch exhaust. So wow, I can't wait. This is going to be fun, man. A lot of fun. I just can't leave this engine work alone. It's just a blast. So I think that's where we're going to end it off tonight. I worked all afternoon here, and we got it tore down. Like I said, this project is going to be ongoing. It's going to be a while. It's probably going to be a winter project, so we'll end it off there. Thanks for watching. Remember to give me a like and thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.